Morning after drink out here, just bearing me. I'm getting better. How's everybody doing? I've just come in to check the wee squabs while I've let them out. This is my wee champagnes squab, and that's my red saddleback, the coke, the feather. But I think this wee one's going to have 2 dark wings, and the rest all going to be white. I lost one of their eggs when they was fighting with Champ with the boxes, when I'm still not sure if that's a he or she. Champ was broody, but this vegan survived. So that's a wee brown one. Well, see, they're going to be blue where he's taking that off his feather. Put him back in. This one here is off my Wolverhampton tumbler. That's the wee white one with the kind of brown and yellow and orangey flecks all the way through her. And her man is Storm, the feather, to Flame. And I don't know if this wee chick's just thriving because it's getting brought up itself, but it's massive. There's a wee bit of colour in the end of the tail there. I don't know if you will make it out because of the lighting. You can just see the wee, it's like darky grey or blue. That is the only colouring on this wee thing. Oh, so it is. I should be actually getting a ring on it. Oh, there's a wee bit at the back of the neck. So just there, a tiny, you'll not get to see it. A tiny wee bit. But no, me thing is doing great. Mwah! A wee chick number 2, and you get it, darling. Champ's on 3 eggs. My big white bird with the wee bit of red paint and yellow ring on her, she's on 2 eggs, but there'll be nothing in them. She's not got a partner that I know. Aye, we'll get you. Don't forget about you. Oh, you're love. Oh, look at the colour. Oh, isn't that lovely? It's no bronze and it's no brown. It's in between. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Come here, Regan. Come here, that's you. That's you. Get in. Get that big wingspan in. Hey, in. That's it. Cuddles. Cuddles. That is brilliant. Look at this. Full blown cuddle. I actually shouldn't even be breathing over this wee chick when I'm no real. I've still got to come in and get my boxes clean. And while I've just let them out, it gives me a big chance to make sure they're all clean, full crops, make sure their wee belly's healed, make sure their bums are good, make sure their wee legs aren't sticking away out, because I can. That's a risk when you've got single chicks. But the chicks are all doing great. Wee Blackie spent his first night in the hut last night, but I'm still going to help him with some feed today. He's not been battered because he's not got any baldy bits. He's been hiding, and I've got box perts with 3, 6, 9 boxes on it. So he's been hiding in the bottom one, so he's been covered in it the way, because as you can, I don't know if you folk with racing tumblers or rollers are the same, maybe, but when you've got dominating cocks in your hut, they tend to like the higher spots and the higher perches, and they tend to like the higher boxes. I've noticed that, and they will fight to keep it. So they will. But that's it. I was just checking in the young today. The tumblers are out. Then you get Blackie. Come on, son. I don't know how to change this when it's recording. No, I don't know how to flip it, so I don't know if I'll get anything on the sky. I think they're up. I don't think they're on the roof. Right. Aye, they're there. I don't know if I've got them. Hopefully you can see them. I can't see because I've got to turn my iPad away from me, sorry. But hopefully you have got them. I'll let them enjoy that, and I'm quickly going to clean the loft. And after the loft's clean, I'll put the wee bath on for them. And that's the girl for the day, folks. Thank you.